Guys, also type the name of the game you want to do it in. So I'm going to do the hood script. The hood script. I'm going to do the hood. For this, I'm going to use this script.
Hello. Today we are showcasing.
And this is the guy I'm using it from. Go follow him. Go subscribe to him. I thought this would take for a second. Okay, and then it should say script, and then press it, and then click right here. Wait, click on here, like at the end, or it can be in the front, who cares? And then once you do that, go like this, and then just like copy it all, and press Control C, and then put the Roblox app. And then once you do that, join the game that you got the script on. So go to the hood and do that, do things, the hood, and then press join. You should be able to join, of course, but also you need a key. But the key is like simple to get. Very simple. If I could get the key, but like I'm gonna show you. Once I join the game, I'll like show you what's like going on.